We talk about the drought quadrilateral. It lies to the northeastern part in this region. Okay, now it is called the drought quadrilateral because here in this region the annual rainfall does not exceed more than 15 to 20 inches. So there is very minimal rain in this region. Therefore, it is known as the drought quadrilateral or the drought polygon. Now we come to the coast. Brazil has a coastline of about 7,400 kilometers. One may divide that into two parts, namely the northern and the eastern coast. Here in the map you can see this can be given as the northern coast and this can be given as the eastern coast. Now the northern coast extends from Amapá province in the north to Rio de Janeiro Grande North in the east. This can be called as the North Atlantic coast. From there the eastern coast extends towards the south. The northern coast is characterized by mouths of many rivers including the Amazon. Therefore this region is a low-lying region. अभी जो northern coast है, if we talk, then there are many rivers including the Amazon. Okay, there are many river mouths, यानी कि rivers originate होते हैं जो Amazon region में lie करते हैं. इसीलिए इस region को low lying area भी बोलते हैं क्योंकि ये low lying है इसलिए इसमें rivers मिलते हैं. Then on this coast lie the Marajo Island, Marajo and São Marcos Bays. Marajo is a large coastal island located between the mouths of river Amazon and river Tocantins. Here you can see the Marajo Islands. It is in the northern part of Brazil. Here we can see many rivers which are there originating in the Amazon area. See here, okay, all these are the rivers which are originating. Then the eastern coast receives large number of smaller rivers. The only major river which meets the Atlantic Ocean here is the São Francisco. The Brazilian coast is characterized by a large number of beaches and sand dune complexes. The Brazilian coast is protected in some areas by coral reefs and atoll islands. Now, atoll islands I have already explained you in the first video, and coral reefs you all must be familiar with that. Still I'll show you what it is. Here in this picture you can see a coral reef. ये कोरल रीफ फॉर्म होते हैं और एक्चुअली ये एनिमल्स होते हैं, पॉलिप्स उनका नाम होता है. जब वो मर जाते हैं देन दे डिके ओवर देयर ओनली. देन ऑन द सेम डिकेइंग देयर इज़ अनदर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अ पॉलिप्स. तो वो उसी पर ग्रो होते रहते हैं और ऐसे करके एक रीफ बन जाता है. ओके, an atoll is also an island which is formed because of the reef formation. We come to our next physiographic division, that is the plains. Now the plains in Brazil are confined to two areas, namely the Amazon basin in the north and the Paraguay. If you see in the map, जो plains है वो ये Amazon एरिया में और एक ये पैराग्वे ये एरिया में, ये दो ही एरिया में हमें प्लेन्स मिलेंगे. Now Amazon plains lying between the two highlands form the largest plain land of Brazil. Amazon plains lying in the northern part of Brazil generally slope eastwards. तो जो प्लेन्स नॉर्थ में है ब्राज़ील के वो ईस्टवर्ड स्लोप करते हैं, यानी कि दिस साइड. So the Amazon basin is quite wide and in the west. You can see in the map also the Amazon basin is quite wide in the west. This part it is very wide in this part. यहाँ पे इतना नहीं है लेकिन यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा है. So in the west it is about 1300 kilometers and it narrows eastward. Its width is minimum where the Guiana Highlands and Brazilian Highland come closer. That is 240 kilometers. तो Guiana और Brazilian Highland जहाँ पे मिलते हैं it becomes narrower and the area becomes less, that is 240 kilometers. As the river approaches the Atlantic Ocean, the width of the plain increases. See, जब यहाँ से रिवर जो है नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ओशन की यहाँ पर आती है तो यहाँ से जो है फिर से विड्थ जो है इंक्रीज होते जाता है, यहाँ पे आके वो कम होते जा रहा है, फिर यहाँ से फिर वो बढ़ते जा रहा है. Now these are mostly forested areas and largely inaccessible. तो ये जो एरिया है अमेज़न एरियाज़, ये सब मोस्टली फॉरेस्ट एरियाज़ हैं और ज़्यादातर इनएक्सेसिबल है. मतलब यहाँ पे कोई हम लोग वहाँ पर जाना और आना बाय एनी ट्रांसपोर्ट रूट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी डेंसली फॉरेस्टेड. तो यहाँ पे कभी कभी बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लडिंग भी होती है. फ्रीक्वेंट फ्लडिंग्स आर देयर एंड डेंस अंडरग्रोथ. डेंस यानी कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा भरा हुआ फॉरेस्ट है. मोस्ट ऑफ द अमेज़न प्लेन्स आर कवर्ड बाय ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट. नाउ ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट दे आर all the time the forest is full of trees, so becomes very inaccessible. ऐसे टाइम में जाकर वहाँ पर